Hello friend, Assalamu alaikum. This is our class 3 for Postgres database. In this class, we will discuss and perform how to monitor the Postgres database, and this is our task 1. Okay. In this task, we will perform session monitoring. Second is how to check the execution plan of our query. Third one, how to check the database log. And last one, we will check how to monitor our replication site. So let's start how we can do it. This is my site for Postgres database. This is my primary site, and this is also my primary site session, and this is my secondary sites. So let's start. First, we have to switch on my Postgres SQL user. In this monitoring task, we will monitor all things from the black window. This is from the putty. Okay. In the next sessions, we will perform the same activity from the graphical user interface. Okay. Now just log into PSQL and then type this is the view. It will show the all activity which is running on Postgres database. Okay. So these are the session is actually running on our Postgres database. Okay. These are there are some background processes and also session also running on this machine. Okay, let's perform some activity. This is the select statement. I will execute a select statement from my same machine on another session. Just log in to Postgres and the PSQL and execute the same command on this window. Before executing this window, I will execute this query. It will show the username, query, and the wait event of this view. Okay, so currently you see this replication is running and the statement which I execute right now is also showing on this view. Okay, so let's execute the count on another window, this one, and execute this again. Okay, so if you see my this query is also come on this view and the wait event is data file read. Okay, these are the other queries is running. Okay, so we will discuss more in another sessions. Now let's move second query. This second query it will show. Okay, it show the count of session by user. Okay, now let's move to how to check the execution plan. And before execution plan, first we need to check the first I will show how to check the database log. Exit from there -q and tail -f. This is my database log. Okay, database log. Let's suppose do some activity for you. And restart my PostgreSQL. This is a view. I just create a script. It will restart my database. Okay, you see for restarting database is coming on the this log. So let right? Okay. These services, this command is exist on this script. Okay. So now let's do how we can mm, check execution plan of our query. PSQL, and this is the explain plan, explain analysis, and same query. Let's execute. It will show the execution plan of this query. Okay, index scan. Okay, and execution time. What will execution time for this query, and the condition index condition also show in this execution plan. Okay, now last one, you can check the application status. Okay, this query we need to execute on my primary machine. Okay, it show the wall receiving, streaming, async, and last LSN number is this one. Okay, let's move on. This is my secondary side. Move on Postgre database, PSQL, and execute this command. Okay, receive LCN number and this is number should be same. Okay, let's perform a manual switch for the primary. By this command, we can perform the switch of wall file. Okay, it has been switched successfully. Next, execute same again. Last SN number now change and execute the same on there. Now you see that SN number also changed over there. So this side is sync. My primary, primary side and my replication side both are synced. So by using these steps, we can monitor our replication side. So thanks guys for watching my video, and I will come back again with more monitoring tasks for you.